In this video, we're going to be looking at compound words. And in this question, we're asked to find one word from the first bracket and one word from the second bracket that when joined together makes one new correctly spelt word. In the first bracket, we have art, arc, at. And in the second bracket, we have tick, tack, rack. The easiest way to find the word from the first bracket when put together with the second one makes a correctly spelt word is by listing them out. The first word in the first bracket, we're going to combine it with all the words in the second bracket. So here we have arced, tick, arced, tack, arced, rack. We also do the same thing for the second word in the first bracket and all the words in the second bracket. Arced, tick, arced, tack, arc, rack. And then finally, we do the same thing for the third word in the first bracket and all the words in the second bracket. At, tick, attack, and then at, rack. So we can see here that the word we're looking for is attack, which is the correct one.